First of all, thank you everyone in the team, the conference team. I'd like to comment about the team before the conference. I think it's highly commendable. The team is very responsive to all kinds of issues and they answer the email very fast. So I'd like to congratulate the team on that. The response time was indeed very fast for any queries or anything that we want to ask. So that first-hand experience is good for me because initially I had some issues on the publication, but after clarifications and everything, I managed to get it solved and get those things done. So I'm grateful and I'm thankful for that. So that's what I wanted to say. And I also managed to present my paper successfully just now. I'm also thankful for that, for the Zoom arrangements and everything. So I guess for areas of improvement would be then the usage of for all the speakers to be able to understand how to use the proper usage of the Zoom or WebEx or whatever platform that they know how to use, how to share. So maybe initially a short video for everybody to give an intro, like beginning, you need to mute your microphone. And when you share, you click share and you click presentation, you can see the whole slides so that everybody can really capitalize on sharing using this new technology, this new norm, because I think every one of us is struggling in trying to present in the new norm. Yeah. So yeah, it's indeed an experience for every one of us. So thank you very much for the opportunity. I'm hoping to be able to get the publication out, I think this December for my paper. Thank you so much, everyone, the team.